welcome to the Crypto Geek official YouTube channel, guys. Hope you guys are doing well. In this video update, we'll be definitely talking about BTC. So if you guys are new in this channel, guys, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure to hit that notification bell icon if you guys are not in my Discord. The link of my Discord is in the description. Get into my Discord right now. So guys, before we waste any time, let's get going. At the time of recording this video, BTC is basically trading around 59.6k. And basically, if you guys are not in my Discord, join my Discord right now. And if to give you the previous perspective, we last time shorted BTC at 64k, and then we dumped exactly back to 59k. From 59k, I called out this long position, this long swing position on BTC, and our full TP was hit. As I mentioned yesterday, I talked about the volume perspectively on the lower time frames. So on the lower time frames, the volume was rising, and basically to tell you guys, the volume was rising on the 4-hour time frame and specifically 1-hour time frame. And I told you one thing that which was very interesting, because the volume was increasing when the price was going to the upside. So I told you guys that a lot of guys were expecting downside, and I told you guys from here, I gave you the perspective that the price can definitely dump down. Why? Because there is definitely a thing. Everybody was thinking that the price will go down, but the volume was spiking up, and I told you guys we can definitely push the price to the upside. Very simple. One thing I did yesterday, I told you guys in update on my YouTube update that basically we were trying to short this area, guys. We were trying to short this area. I basically personally shorted this area. So this was simple 7.8 Fibonacci retracement level. I mentioned this thing right here. So I shorted this area with my premium members, and yesterday I told you that I will not short BTC, but I basically did. Simple as this, because there was some sort of a resistance sitting right here. If you guys can see this, there was definitely a resistance sitting into this area, because we got a rejection here, then retest, and then dip down. I told you guys, but basically I shorted, and then I was stopped out at 66k. What is happening in the immediate short term is very interesting to look after, because I told you guys that we need this breakout to the upside. Very importantly, we need a breakout to the upside, which we are not having it right now. And basically the volume is going down again, and most importantly, this was our yesterday's one of my scalp low leverage short position, which I gave in the premium Discord, was stopped out. After these two wins, I already told them this was that trade was not a high conviction trade, but basically it is what it is, and I really don't care if there is some SL hit or whatever. So basically, if you focus overall right here, on the 4-hour time frame, we had some sort of there is a definite SFP right here. There is a definite SFP right here. We are again under the resistance. Come on, there is a definite SFP right here, and from where we are going down as well. And in the meantime, this area was exactly from where we got a rejection, is exactly the previous high as well. So right now, what I personally think is that I want to see the price like this. I want this. There is an SFP on the daily time frame. There is an SFP. I want this breakout, this fake out, and then dip down. This is what I personally want, because like on this fake out, a lot of guys will be trapped, and initially this is what I personally think it will happen. Right, because a lot of guys are looking for a big long position, generational long position, and once we will go for this retest, I think so, we will break down. Or either one thing for me right now, the short is not that much, like from 66.3k, from 66.3k we dip down back to like almost 65. Like we just dumped 1k from here, but that's not a big momentum, and there is, I guess, there is again to the downside, the volume is again decreasing, so that's not a very big move. So what I personally think is that either once we start to retest these zones, that would be a good area to get into a long position. Right now the short is not that much favorable, but if we get this sort of move, then we can look for some short position right here and then dips down. So I guess right now